Do you know many people are having trouble with setting the time on their Casio watches? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Enter setting mode. Press the C's button 6 times to enter the hand setting mode. Step 2. Activate flashing. Hold down the AEQ button until the digital time starts to flash. Step 3. Adjust hands. Press to move the hands in 20-second steps. Hold for a faster adjustment. Step 4. Speed up. For rapid movement, press and hold both and E buttons together. Step 5. Exit setup. Press S to exit the hand setting screen when finished. Step 6. Return to time. Press these to return to timekeeping mode. By following these steps, you should now have your Casio watch displaying the correct time. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Casio users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.